India's position on Pakistan as IMF has granted funding to Pakistan yet again. It's a bailout deal that they've given. India raising concerns on where exactly the money is used. And we had a Defence Minister, Rajnath Singh itself, who flagged this off, slamming the IMF for approving fresh funds to Pakistan. Speaking at the Bhuj Air Force Station in Gujarat, Rajnath Singh has questioned whether IMF wants to indirectly fund terrorism. This comes, of course, days after his visit to army troops in Srinagar, Badami Bagh cantonment. Bhuj Air Base was among the military targets hit by Pakistan last week. And standing right there, Rajnath Singh accused Pakistan of trying to revive terrorist networks. That was dismantled by India. Now they are trying to set it up yet again. Post-Operation Sindoor. Here's what he said, listen in.
IMF द्वारा जो कि एक इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, उसके द्वारा इनडायरेक्ट फंडिंग इसे नहीं माना जाएगा। मैं दुनिया के लोगों के सामने यह सवाल रखना चाहता हूं। इसलिए मैं मानता हूं कि आज के समय में पाकिस्तान को किसी भी तरह की आर्थिक सहायता टेरर फंडिंग से कम नहीं है। भारत यही चाहेगा कि IMF पाकिस्तान को अपनी $1 बिलियन की असिस्टेंस पर वह पुनर्विचार करे और आगे भी किसी भी तरह की सहायता देने से IMF परहेज करे।
So one should know, going back just last week, after the conflict between India and Pakistan, IMF granted or approved a $1 billion bailout to Pakistan, which was part of a $7 billion loan package given to Pakistan. India has strongly opposed this move, warning that these funds could very well fuel cross-border terrorism. IMF has, of course, defended its decision here, citing Pakistan's reform progress and economic recovery. Of course, almost pleading to IMF that they are in terrible situation. The crisis is intense, and it's for their country that they want to pick up the economy. Otherwise, they are really going to be sinking. Now, experts blame deep-rooted structural issues and weak governance. IMF's own report, in fact, reveals that continued bailouts have pushed Pakistan into this vicious cycle of debt. IMF has admitted it, essentially turning it into a massive defaulter. This is IMF's doing. It's been flagged off by several experts as well. Experts warning that Pakistan's diversion of funds and repeated violations of IMF conditions demand real-time monitoring on how and where this money is used. Now, while the IMF cites reforms, economic recovery, trying to help a nation that's in need, India says that Pakistan's record very clearly suggests that money could be misused.